You are so beautiful to me. Ang hirap kapag sobrang ganda talaga ng mga kasama mo na talagang dapat ganito yung mga friends mo. Anyway, Web3 crew, are you ready? I am with Miss
Paula Tavangar,
all the way from
UA.
Yes. And can you tell us about the company that you are working with?
Certainly. Actually, I'm a partner in Injas Capital, where I'm also the chief investment officer. We are an external asset management shop.
Okay, let's talk about crypto. What can you say about the current state of crypto right now?
Well, I really think that we are in probably the best part of the last year and a half. I think that the market finally calmed down. We are kind of consolidating, and for me, the fundamentals are more important than just what we're seeing price-wise. I have been seeing more institutional adoption. That's something that we have been talking for the past years, but we're finally seeing it progressing a lot. A few weeks ago, I was speaking actually on TV about the Bitcoin ETFs and what kind of massive impact that is going to have on the industry. So I think that we're already, the train is there and cannot be stopped. It's just a matter of time. So overall, I'm very, very optimistic, and I'm very happy that we are in a less volatile period right now. So, we can just stop, analyze, and construct our portfolio.
How does tokenization enable new businesses, models, or revenue streams?
I think that there are different types of tokenization, and real-world assets is a topic. Tokenization of real-world assets is something that the whole industry is very excited about. I think that was one of the biggest topics in Token 2049 in Singapore as well. So I think that there are obviously multiple ways in which it can be used. Something that personally excites me and I find very interesting is the tokenization of financial securities, because it simply provides access to broader audience to instruments that, for example, require minimum capital of $1 million, $500,000. I believe in financial inclusion and that everybody should have same access to the same opportunities. So I think that blockchain and tokenization specifically is something that can provide that access.
Thank you so much. And one
Thank you.
last question. What do you think is the future of money?
The future of money? That's something very interesting and funny because I'm just experiencing it now. Living in Dubai here, very cashless society. So we're paying everywhere for everything with Apple Pay. You can literally pay for 1 dirham water, you can pay with your Apple Pay and nobody minds it. And then when I go back to Europe, I'm mind blown. I'm like, I want to pay for a big amount with my card, and they're like, oh no, we don't accept card cash only. So essentially we're moving to that cashless society, and if today's example Apple Pay, in 5 years I believe it's going to be our crypto wallet.
Thank you so much. And mga kabayan, alamin natin ang kanya. What's your beauty secret? Can you share it with me later? Magbabalik ang FOMO, the future of money.